Hello everybody, we're here today to talk quickly about the COVID-19 virus and facial protection for that. You see a lot of people doing these tube masks as facial protection. We've taken it to another level with our face mask here, and we're kind of throwing out a competition to you to see who can come up with some better ideas. So the reason I really like the tube mask is because it's very easy to take off and very easy to reposition and put it on. What we've done to improve this tube mask is we create a pillow pocket in the back, and inside that pillow pocket we have placed a filtration material. This filtration material is a material that we got from a high-end air conditioning filter. To make this product, you would have to find an air conditioner. You want to get the highest level of protection that you can get in the filter available in the store. These are actually in limited sales now, so you can get them. My precaution here is when you take the filter material out, the really hard part is to get the metal off without cutting yourself. It's very sharp. And then note that there is a direction to these filters, and the arrow points towards your face. So you want to make sure to mark one side of your material when you do that. The material that you get out will look something like this. You can see you can make many masks out of this particular thing. And today what I'm going to show you is a very quick way to make a mask for yourself out of a tubular material and this mask. Now the tubular material I chose is these workout pants, the flexible workout pants that so many people have. Now to make the mask the right size for yourself with these flexible workout pants, you're going to want to have to fold the mask over the filter. So you want to have cloth, filter, and mask. So take your filter piece that you're going to use as an example, and you want to put it down, and then you want to fold that over to make sure that you have enough mask to go all the way around. Once you've done that, and you have a basic length, you can cut the material across into that length. So now you have the length, you fold it up into a tube shape. So bringing the two ends together. Alright, I'm just trying to get it nice and smooth. You take your filtration material and you place it in the pocket. Now we have the simple tubular mask, which we're going to place on. Just put your hands in, hold the mask over your face, drop it into place. Now you can see you have the cloth material. If you lift it up, you can see you have the filter material, and it's nice and airtight all the way around. You want to get it adjusted over your nose and your mouth so you're protecting yourself. Now there are no guarantees with this mask. It's just using filter material that's provided by somebody else. But it can allow you to leave the professional mask for the professional, the ones who are really trying to help us all here, but still allows to have some self-protection against this bacteria. Now it doesn't help with the eyes, and that would be my challenge to other people out there. If you can come up with a very easy way to add an eye protection piece to this, that would be great. So stay safe, stay COVID free. Bye.